Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a curtain rod on your drywall. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, you will need a battery-powered drill with a Phillips tip bit, a pencil, and some drywall anchors. The first step is to go ahead and find out where you want your curtain rod to hang. So we'll take the curtain rod, you'll put it into position, and put a mark on the top of the rod. Now we'll take the drywall anchors and put it right underneath our mark. Now we will take the hardware that they've provided with our curtain rod and put the top screw into the drywall anchor and screw it into place. Now we'll just take the other screws that they've provided and put it in the bottom hole without a drywall anchor. And all this is to do is to keep that mount from moving on us. That way it doesn't wiggle back and forth. Now we'll take our curtain rod, put it into place. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with this project.